We are talking about adaptation and mitigation in this playlist, and this particular podcast is on mitigating our impact on the oceans. Under the Sustainable Development Goal 14, we worry about conserving and sustainably exploiting or using the ocean resources. We see the ocean as a vast resource for fisheries, of course, and offshore oil, gas, now wind energy, solar energy, of course. We do shipping across the oceans and cruises for tourism and so on. But we are obviously overfishing and polluting the ocean. Sea level is rising. We are increasing greenhouse gases and trapping additional energy, trapping the outgoing long wave or thermal energy. And ocean takes up 93% of that additional heat, which is making it warmer, and the CO2 also gets directly dissolved in the ocean, which acidifies it. Sea level is rising because of the warming, as well as from glacier melts and plastics. They are everywhere in the ocean, all the way to the bottom and in the guts of the fish. So you are eating fish with microplastics and so on. So the Sustainable Development Goal 14 tries to put together missions and projects, and this is 2021 to 2030 is called the decade of the ocean science, and there are many organizations pulling together startups that are doing innovations. We also want to use the ocean for putting more CO2 safely by capturing or making the ocean absorb more CO2. CO2 absorbed by the ocean is about 25% of the total sinks we have across the planet and so on. So ocean, of course, covers so much of the planet. It is a massive resource, but obviously it's time to be very sustainable and keep it clean and treat it gently and use it sustainably. That's the podcast. So it's not direct climate mitigation or adaptation, but it is about adapting our ways of using the oceans to mitigate our effects on the oceans. Okay, see you in the next podcast. Comments, questions, welcome as always.